Welcome to the MLTI Slam Show. I'm Hallie, and today is Thursday, February 1st. In the MLTI Slam Show, we learn from students just like you from all over Maine. We'll begin by following along with Mia Coots from Nokomis, who will teach us about Miro digital whiteboards. Then, viewers can take the Slam exam, a chance to win prizes by answering questions about the show. Then, we'll wrap up the show with the Slam demo, Song Maker, a simple way to make and share a song. Now, please mute your mic, and if you have questions, enter them in the chat so Drew, our moderator, can respond during the show. And remember, your account is connected to everything you type, so be kind and have fun. Welcome, Mia. Glad you could join us. What do you have to share with us today?
Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys Miro, which is going to be a replacement for Jamboard since Google has gotten rid of it. So on my screen, I'm going to go to the bottom right-hand corner where it says Activities. I haven't started sharing yet, and I'm going to share in just a second. And now there's going to be a spot where it says Add-ons, and I'm going to click on Miro. And now it's going to ask me if I want to share my screen, and I'm going to. Just 1 second. Okay, so now you guys should be able to see my screen right here in the Google Meet, which is a great tool if you are in a classroom and need a replacement for Jamboard. And so here is the whole deal with Miro. I'm going to go over all the steps. So first of all, I have my mouse right here in the top corner. This is where I can drag things, obviously point on things. Templates, which is another great tool for if you're in a classroom setting, you need sticky notes, and you're actually doing like specific types of things. There is the text tool, the sticky note tool, the shapes tool, all pretty basic tools there. Line tool and a pen tool, which again is a great tool if you are in a math classroom. I know when it was COVID, my teachers would use Jamboard in math so that everyone could see the work on the board. And so again, another great tool. You can make comments, you can frame, upload images directly into it, and then there are more apps. And so what I'm going to use Jamboard for, sorry, not Jamboard, what I'm going to use Miro for today is we're going to do a door decoration. So first things first, I'm going to title this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to the left-hand side of my screen. I'm going to click on the shape tool. And on the shape tool, you're given 9 options, but there's a lot more if you click on this right here. I'm just going to select the square. And I'm going to go 4 squares by, I don't know, that looks good. Except I got to make it even. Okay. And so that looks like a pretty good door to me. I'm going to grab this and put my door more in the frame. And so this is just a rectangle right now. It's not a square or a door, I mean. So I'm going to go back to the shapes tool, grab another square, and now I'm going to make a little window for this door. There you go. And now we have a nice little window, and I'm going to try and make it as centered as I can. That looks pretty good. Okay, one step closer to being a door, but still we're missing something kind of important, what you need to open the door. I'm going to go back to shapes. I'm going to grab circle, and I'm just going to make myself a nice little door handle right there. Okay, so now this is a really awesome example of how you can use Miro to do mock-ups for things that you're planning on designing. And so let's pretend that we are creating a Valentine's Day door. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the sticky note tab, which is a square with a folded up edge. And you can grab any color you want. I'm just going to grab pink since it's my favorite. And I'm going to say, I can't wait to decorate this door. And then I click off of it and it's saved. And I'm just going to put it like in the top corner just so that everyone knows how excited I am when it's my classroom. And so I have a couple different tools in here right now, but this door needs some help. So I'm going to go over here to text still on that left-hand toolbar, and I'm just going to click it right in the middle of the door, and I'm going to say Happy Valentine's Day, exclamation point, because it's so exciting. And as you're typing, you can see that you have a bunch of options up top. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the font because we don't want whatever boring font we have now. What are my options here? Oops. Did not mean to do that. Got to click on this. Again, what are my options? I'm going to grab permanent marker. That looks fun. But it's pretty small. So if I click on my text again, 4 white bulbs pop up in each corner, and I can just drag those and go in right there. And look at that. That looks great. It's a good start to our Valentine's Day door, but it's still looking pretty bland down in here. I think that we could use some help. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to the left-hand side. Once again, this is where you're going to find all of your tools, and you're going to press the More Apps button. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you should see something that says Stickers and Emojis. So if you click on Stickers and Emojis, there are tons of different types of stickers you can use. And so I'm just going to throw a few random ones in just to make my door look really fun. And this is where you can rotate it. You can change the size and grab other things that you're not trying to grab. But yeah, and then after you select stickers and emojis, it should become its own tab on the left-hand side. And so I'm going to add this heart because, of course, it's Valentine's Day, and how cute. And again, this is just a really awesome replacement tool for a Jamboard. It's a little bit more, I think, extensive in the sense that you can use it for graphics design and other stuff in that area, that content area, I mean. And high five, because Valentine's Day is all about the relationships you make. So there we go. I mean, a pretty basic looking door here. I just wanted to hop on and give you guys a good look at the tools that are going to be here in Google Meets as a replacement option for Jamboard. So I hope that you guys got something out of my presentation today, and that you can hopefully use this tool in your classrooms.
Remember, you can always access recordings of all the presentations at www.mlti.me to play, pause, and rewind. Checking in with Drew, are there any questions from the chat? How do I share a Miro board?
Oops, sorry, I'm not talking. I didn't turn on my mic. Sorry. So if you're looking to share a Miro board, just give me 1 second here. I have to share my screen again. Not a big deal at all. I just realized I also didn't even say that in my original presentation, so shame on me. So here we go. If I am going to share this, what I'm going to do is there is a blue button in the top right corner. I'm going to press share. I'm going to title it because I didn't title it originally. I'm going to name it Door Decoration, if I could spell decoration right. I'm going to save it. And then now you can copy this link, and you can change it to view, comment, edit, or no access. But it's kind of confusing to say no access if you're trying to share it. So we're going to say can view, and then we're going to copy this invite, and then you can email that link anywhere and anyone can come into it. Or you could publish it and anything like that. Okay. Thanks so much.
Thank you for coming on the show and teaching us about Miro digital whiteboards. Okay, Slammers, get ready to click the link in the chat to take the SLAM exam, a one-question prize drawing. Only your first entry will count. The others will be removed. Then we'll announce the winner in the next episode. That way, everyone has a chance to take the SLAM exam, even if you're not able to join us live. I'll give a code for you to type in so everyone has the same amount of time. The SLAM exam question from last episode was, what type of media shares verifiable facts? Information, disinformation, or misinformation? The correct answer is information. And the winner, CR, from rsc19.net. Congratulations! The SLAM team will reach out to you to get that prize to you, so be sure to check your email. Now, before we ask this week's SLAM exam question, let's check out this week's SLAM demo.
Hello, my name is SJ Welch, and the website I'm going to be showing you guys today is called Chrome Music Lab. So create a new tab, look up Chrome Music Lab, and this should be the thing that pops up when you click on the link, first link. So I'm just going to be going through these and playing some stuff. So this is just a piano, just a big piano thing that you can create something with. You can play with other people too. And The reason I like this website a lot is because it gives you a lot to work with. It's a variety of things that you can create music with. You can make drum noises, and you can sound waves. I just think it's pretty cool to do if you have some free time and not doing anything. You can check this website out. You can also learn a lot from things like this, and on the spectrogram shows you the sound waves for trombones and all these other instruments. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is Chrome Music Lab. I hope you check this out.
Thanks for that information, SJ. Okay, let's get ready for the SLAM exam. Or if you are not watching this live, visit mlti.me and click the link and click the SLAM exam link at the top to enter your answer. You can only enter once, anytime before next week's show. The passcode for this episode is 837. The SLAM exam question is, how do you lock and unlock items on a Miro board? Long press, short press, or bench press? Okay, we will announce the winner randomly selected from all correct answers next episode. Good luck. Thanks everyone for joining today's MLTI Slam Show. Thanks to our presenter, Mia Coots, our moderator, Drew, and our director, Sunny. Slammers, if you have questions, would like to make comments, or share the work you created today on the show, visit www.mlti.me and contact us. Those of you in the live stream right now, stick around for the after show live discussion. Student Leadership Ambassadors, stay curious, and we'll see you next time.
The MLTI Slam Show is a program of the Maine Department of Education. For more information about this and other innovative educational initiatives, please visit www.maine.gov/DOE.